Next section, social stratification, their influence on health. Class versus health. The health has been determined by classes. Low class people having low health status due to low economic and educational status, possible to get communicable diseases and also suffer from socio-economic problems. Poverty, unemployment, illiteracy is common problems in low classes, which leads to malnutrition, mental health problems, physical illness. High class people passing high health status due to better education, high occupational locations and economic status. Having awareness about disease, known to access healthcare services. Non-communicable disease are major phenomenon in high class people. Middle class people have been suffer from socio-economic imbalance. They have been suffer from both communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases and social disability. Caste versus health. In India, caste simply divided into FC, BC, SC and ST. Naturally, high caste people having high health status due to high social, educational and economic status. The food habits is differ from one another. Healthy and nutritional food habits, healthy lifestyle. In India, large population belong to BC, backward caste. They have been suffer from socio-economic imbalance. It leads to mental health problems, physical illness and social disability. Low caste people, including SC and ST, having unstandardized lifestyle. They have been living in remote area and deep jungle, possible to discriminated by high caste, suffer from socio-economic problems. The communicable diseases is mostly possible due to unstandardized lifestyle. The poor health of people from the lower caste, their social exclusion and the steep social gradient are due to the unequal distribution of power, income, goods and services. The World Health Organization recommended three principles for action. First, improving the conditions of daily lifestyle. Second, tackling the inequalities, distribution of power, money and resources. Third, there is need to change social structure. Race versus health. In USA, health status updated on the basis of races. In India, races concern to understand health status of people. Simply saying, in India, Aryans having high health status than Dravidans. Due to traditional food habits, socio-cultural and economic practices. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.